Hey guys, welcome back to another Discord bot tutorial video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a custom prefix using Discord.js or JavaScript. A custom prefix is essentially a prefix you can change per server. So if two bots have the same prefix, you can make sure you can change yours. Just a little side note before we start. You see how it's msg.starts-with? Well, yours might say something else. It says msg.includes. Make sure you change it to msg.starts-with. So then it makes sure that the command is what starts the sentence, so you don't trigger it when you're talking about the command. We're going to start off by defining a few things. Const, ignore that. We have a const of fs equals require the module fs. Just like how we did for discord.js. Next we're going to have var of guild conf equal require dot slash guild conf.json. Now we have to actually make the file we're going to be storing our prefixes in. So go ahead and click new file, or this up here, and make sure it's exactly the same of what you have right here. guildconf.json. Put a few brackets in there, and let's go ahead and test it. And it was able to run. If you had any issues, it was probably you either didn't have the fs module, or there is something wrong with your JSON file. Now, there's not actually a way to use the prefix yet, or even write it down. What you're going to want to do is put this here. If !message.guild return. This will check to make sure you are in a guild or a server, so then it doesn't crash the bot because it's looking for server-specific prefixes. And then below that, we're going to have an if statement. If there is not already a guild conf for the message.channel.id, then guild conf message.channel.id equals prefix colon and then your prefix. Mine would be slash. And then right below we're going to put fs.write file, then quotation marks, dot slash guild conf.json, comma, JSON dot stringify, and then guild conf, comma, null, comma 2, and then arrow key, comma, error, and then we're going to put an arrow function, so if there is an error, if error console.log the error, just like that. Let's go ahead and test this out. Make sure it's just like that. node dot bot is up slash hello hi, didn't crash, and it wrote right there. Now how do we actually use it? Well, what we have to do is go on and replace all the prefixes right here with this. So instead of prefix, it would be guildconf in brackets message.channel.id, and then out of brackets dot prefix, however it's spelled right here. And we can go ahead and replace all of these. You can double click them and then Control V. And let's test it. node dot bot is up slash hello hi. There we go. It's able to use a custom prefix and write in any servers it's in. Next, what we're going to do is be able to change the prefix of the bot. So if msg.starts with plus prefix, then we're going to have if there is not one argument. If args1 return message.channel.send, please include the new prefix. Then after that, we're going to actually define our prefix, or write it down. So guildconf message.channel.id out of brackets .prefix equals, and then args1 no exclamation mark .to lowercase. And then we're going to return, wait, before we do that, we want to put this right there. And then return message.channel.send put args1.to lowercase plus, sorry, it sends the new prefix for this server is, and then quotation mark, plus that right there. Let's go ahead and test that out. Save that, node dot. It's running /prefix. Please include the new prefix /prefix. Let's make it dot. The new prefix is now dot hello. Dot hello. And it does the same command. And that's about it for today's video. We're going to be using JSON files in the future for doing stuff like welcome channels, logging channels, and even when we start learning tic-tac-toe. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. I can't control what you do. Have a good day.